everyone, myself Suchitra Pujari. Welcome to my channel that is सरोजा Academy. आज हम पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं जो कि आया था प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर में, दैट टू इन द कॉमर्स सेट. Let us start.
Okay, this is the question of Poisson distribution which is asked in previous year question, commerce paper. Question is, for a Poisson distribution variable x, p of x equals to 0 is equals to 2p of x equals to 1. Its standard deviation would be. So they have given us an equation and they are asking standard deviation of this Poisson distribution variable x. So let us start. So first of all, I want to tell you the formula for this question. So probability of x equals to x, the formula is e raised to m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So this is the formula, e raised to m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So I'll write probability of x equals to 0, that is equals to 2 probability of x equals to 1. So जहाँ जहाँ x दिखाई दे रहा है वहाँ पे मैं 0 and 1 put करूँगी. So first of all I'll write the formula e raised to m into m raised to x upon x factorial for this one, and for this 2 into e raised to m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So जहाँ जहाँ x है I'll put 0, जहाँ जहाँ यहाँ पे x है I'll put 1. So e raised to m as it is, m raised to x is 0, so m raised to 0 upon x factorial. So x की जगह पे 0 factorial, 2 into e raised to m into m raised to x की जगह पे 1, m raised to 1 x factorial, that means 1 factorial. Now e raised to m gets cancelled. क्या बचा, m raised to 0 upon 0 factorial which is equals to 2 into m raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 0 factorial is also 1 which is equals to 2 into m raised to 1, that means m upon 1 factorial, that means 1. So क्या बचा, 1 equals to 2m. m को एक तरफ रखूँगी और नंबर्स को एक तरफ. So 1/2, ये इंटू है, यहाँ पे जाएगा तो डिवाइड. So half equals to m, that means m equals to 0.5. So mean which is equals to variance equals to 0.5. Now they have asked us standard deviation would be. So standard deviation is equals to root of mean, that means root of mean 0.5. So my answer would be 0.5, that too in the root. So root 0.5 is the answer. Clear है? Okay, I'll quickly explain this once again. क्या दिया है, p of x equals to 0 is equals to 2 p of x equals to 1. So I'll put x equals to 0 here and x equals to 1 here. मतलब जो भी अमाउंट दिया है, वैल्यू दिया है, वो मैं फॉर्मूला में पुट कर रही हूँ. सो क्या होगा, e raised to minus m into m raised to x means 0 upon x factorial, that means 0 factorial which is equals to 2 into e raised to minus m into m raised to x means m raised to 1 upon x factorial, that means 1 factorial. तो m raised to 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, तो 1 upon 1 बचा. यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 into m raised to 1, मतलब m upon 1 factorial is 1. तो क्या बचा मेरे पास, 1 equals to 2m. सो यहाँ पे जो 2 है इस तरफ आ जाएगा, तो इंटू है यहाँ पे डिवाइड होगा, 1/2 equals to m, therefore m equals to 0.5. सो मीन इज equals to वेरियंस 0.5. क्वेश्चन में हमें पूछा है स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन. सी स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन वुड बी, सो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इक्वल्स टू रूट ऑफ मीन. सो मीन मिला है मुझे 0.5, तो रूट ऑफ मीन, दैट मीन्स रूट ऑफ 0.5 इज माई आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन फॉर प्रैक्टिस. Here they have asked, for a Poisson distribution variable x,
P of x equals to 2 is equals to P of x equals to 4. Then its variance would be. So last question में standard deviation पूछा था, यहाँ पे पूछा है variance. So variance is what? Mean is equals to variance. Simply mean is equals to variance. So let us start with the question. So first of all I have to know the formula. P of x equals to x is equals to e raised to m e raised to minus m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So क्या दिया है? P of x equals to 2 which is equals to 3 into P of x equals to 4. P of x equals to 4. So I'll write the formula e raised to minus m raised to x upon x factorial for this one. Here 3 into e raised to minus m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So जहाँ जहाँ पे x दिखाई दे रहा है वहाँ पे मैं 2 पुट करूँगी, इस तरफ जहाँ पे x है I'll put 4. So e raised to minus m into m raised to x, that means 2 upon x factorial, that is 2 factorial, which is equals to 3 into e raised to minus m into m raised to x, that means 4 upon x factorial, that means 4 factorial. So e raised to m gets cancelled. क्या बचा? m square upon 2 factorial, which is equals to 3 into m raised to 4 upon 4 factorial को I'll write 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So here 2 factorial gets cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. तो क्या बचा? m square equals to m raised to 4 upon 4. So numbers को इस तरफ और m को एक तरफ. 4 equals to m raised to 4 upon m square. So क्या बचा? 4 equals to, ये square है 4 है तो क्या बचा? m square. So 4 equals to m square. Now m is equals to square है. Okay, I'll write m square equals to 4. So m square को इस तरफ लेकर आऊँगी तो स्क्वायर इस तरफ आएगा तो स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगा. सो m इक्वल्स टू √4, दैट मीन्स 2. मीन इक्वल्स टू वेरियंस विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 2. अगर समझो क्वेश्चन में स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन पूछा होता, इफ़ दे हैव आस्क्ड अस टू फाइंड आउट द स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, सिंपली स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन मीन्स रूट ऑफ मीन. तो मीन कितना है हम लोगों को? 2. सो √2. ये मैंने एक्स्ट्रा बताया आपको पॉइंट, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में वेरिएंस पूछा था, सो वेरिएंस इज़ व्हाट? मीन इक्वल्स टू वेरिएंस. सो आंसर इज़ 2. इज़ इट क्लियर? सिंपल है. थैंक यू एवरीवन. कीप लर्निंग, एक्सप्लोर मोर, स्टे क्यूरियस. अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछना. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए बाय.